Hi everyone, this is Jerry, and I wanted to make a quick video in response to Mohammed's question in the forum about the moon and 180 degrees relative to the euro. He didn't know quite what that meant, and this is a short video to try to respond to that. First of all, I put up the free astrolog, and I want to set it just to see the moon, so I go into settings, restrictions. I'll restrict all and then just select the moon and say OK to that. And notice as I hit the plus keyboard button or the minus keyboard button that the moon moves around the zodiac into each of the houses and in turn. This horizontal line here represents the beginning of the new year in March with Aries, and here's Capricorn. We are in Capricorn at this point. These are each of the 12 houses. So the sun also visits each of these houses each month, but since the moon travels around the earth in 27 point whatever days, we go around here once a month. A little shorter, but you get it. So anyway, just backing up a little bit, just to show you what would happen if we ask the question, as the moon passes this point here, this 180 degree line, if this is 90 here, if this whole thing is 360, I'm sorry, this would be 90 and 180, but I'm just taking this whole horizontal line to be the point. And let me back off a little bit here and say on December 8th, Thursday at 9:30 in the morning, roughly, we had moon crossing into Aries. So as I look at the timing solution chart, I created a quick Astro ULE, it's called, and asked the program to do just that. Let me just show you that. Edit. Here we go. In the zodiac, what if the moon ingresses into Aries or Libra? Okay. And find the time of ingress into, that means as it's entering the house, and hit calculate, and the program placed these blue lines then. Let me go back to solutions. Each time the moon either ingresses into Libra or ingresses into Aries, a line is placed. And so the experiment was, does the euro change direction at each time it enters Aries or Libra? So the sort of broadest answer to the question is yes, it seems to. Notice what happened on 11/24. We had a downtrend and it went up. Over here on, I'm sorry, this was, 24th of November, and here's December 8th. We had an uptrend and then suddenly it went reverse downward. And on December 20th, we had a downtrend that reversed upward. And as we go back in the chart, you can see this happening over and over again. A downtrend reverses upward, downtrend reverses upward, uptrend going down. So that's looking pretty good. If you don't have timing solution, it's simple enough to get yourself a free copy of Astrolog. It's a small and easy to download program and install. And go and mark up your MT4 chart with each time the moon passes into Libra or passes into, Aries or passes into Libra. Let me just go forward here. Actually, let me go backwards to the last time here. I have this set to hours right now, and that's slower. Through some keyboard commands, you can set it to days or months or years, etc., or minutes. So here we have the moon going into Libra Wednesday, November 23rd at 1:28 in the afternoon, roughly. And that's this one right here. Okay? So here we have it. And that's what went up here. So it's kind of what I would love to get the community involved with. Propose an idea that you've heard about and then test it out and show us the result of your tests. If it works most of the time, then it's pretty valid. And love to hear comments or questions, and thanks everybody, and Happy New Year.